get her back up there. Getting ready for the show Saturday. Are you ready for the show Saturday?
You asking me?
Yeah.
Should be a good show. Finally take this out.
Right? It's gonna be a 2-hour ride. 2-hour ride, like 4 a.m. in the morning. I know it don't look like it, but I'm putting wax on it. Getting the wax on it. Or at least wiping the dust off of it. I think I could get around to cleaning the windows. Booyah. Said, "Look, I'm your father." Woohoo! Getting her done. Getting her done, buddy. I think I need to take some of these stickers off. Yeah, probably. Peace. Go down lower if you can. There we go. Yeah. Just a little heads up of what's going on. We're gonna pop out the back windows on the Bug today, and you'll see what's gonna go in it. Because we gotta do this. I don't have a lot of time. So as you just saw, we popped out the windows and got left this nasty, nasty orange ring. Can you guess the Bug used to be orange? Huh. So we got to fix that first. And how we got the windows out. This on the outside, my son pulled as I suctioned this to the inside and pushed. And they came out pretty good. I did squeeze a little bit of WD-40 around the rubber beforehand, but yeah. That's how we took them out and got left the orange ring on both sides. So I'm going to do my best to make that go away a little bit so it doesn't look like the window is outlined in orange and black. What do you think? Can we do it? Here's the first window. I took steel wool too, took off the rubber. The rubber was crusty, dry. Amazingly, this one is still soft, kinda. It's flexible. But I had all kinds of oversprays. You'll see in the one that we haven't done yet. So all I got to do to this one is reassemble. I took steel wool to this too. It's got a lot of pits in it, but it'll work for now, you know? it'll work for now. That was a pain in the ass to figure out how to get off too. It's a clip. It doesn't unscrew. So we got the new rubber, both windows. Somewhere in here I have the hardware kit, and yeah, hopefully my son's coming over and we could get these put in. I'll show you how bad it was in just a second. Yeah, this is what it looked like before. This is the inside. Not so horrible on the inside, but we flip her over and look at all the black overspray. This thing needs to be steel wooled. Even the glass, look, you can't even see through it. I picked these up, I don't know, sometime last year. Met some guy and going up to St. George, Utah. So hopefully they're the right ones for the car. We'll see. Stay tuned. Well, we'll see how it looks. This is just the first coat. You can see all that metallic gets everywhere. It's the sparklers. All depends on how this side comes out if we do the other side this way. So we'll see. Back in a minute. Coat number 3. It's not the exact color and it kind of comes out satin, but it's good enough for now. That's coat 3. Looks good wet. Now I just hope it went all the way to the line. Just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna spray one more on there. All right, we get to see if I got the edge. Hopefully I got the edge. Be careful, because I got tape. It's all funky taped. Just stuff it. And then we get to see all the metal flakes splatter all over everything. I didn't cover it up good enough, right? Well, we got metal flake up here anyway. Metal flake over there. I just hope I got that edge.
Like that was necessary.
Yep. It was necessary. I went to tape crazy. You want to peel the paint stuff away from. Well, there's the edge. The front edge anyway. Looks damn good to me. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, no orange. No orange. Oh, no orange.
No orange.
Oh, I got orange little spot. Oh, dang it.
Said it too soon.
Oh, just a little hair. A little hair right there. Son of a gun. Oh, a little bit up there too. Oh, no. It still looks better. I'll just make sure that I do the next side a little bit better. I just had to disguise it for a little bit. Just didn't want no orange frame around my window. You know? Yeehaw. Yeah, not a bad edge. Definitely looks better than this side over here. I'll tell you that. I'll tell you that much. It's gonna look freaking good. Oh yeah. Well, alrighty, folks. These windows are kicking my butt. The rubber was a lot harder than it seemed. When you have arthritic hands, it's hard getting that rubber tucked in, but I got one done. And we also have to wait for the paint to dry in the window. Now we still got to do the other side, but I'll show you the windows here. Yeah, it's a little line, barely. Well, there's one finished. Nice rubber all the way around. Steel wool to glass. It's got to put the hinge on. And then, like I said, this is the before. That's the before. Just crusty. Rubber comes off easy enough. I'll be working on that tomorrow. So the next video, you'll see the other side finished and probably getting installed. But if you give me a minute, hang on. Let's see. Put it right in there. Look at that. It's gonna cover up most of the line of paint except for the little bottom edge. But that doesn't look horrible at all. Hopefully it'll be barely noticeable in the sun. So we'll try and get these on tomorrow or in the next video. Oh, you like that spotlight? Oh, let me turn this sucker off. So, like I said, that was a nice little fit there. And in our next video, we'll have Junior help me and you can watch me install these things, and we'll have some cool pop outs in the Bug and the 72. Thanks for watching, folks. It's been fun. I'm learning to do this stuff just like y'all are learning this stuff. And the way things are going these days, we got to start working more on our own stuff. So peace out. Y'all have a great weekend.